For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. High-risk drivers often face high car insurance premiums due to past driving incidents, poor credit, or other factors. However, artificial intelligence, AI, can now make it easier to find affordable options tailored to your specific situation. This guide breaks down step-by-step how you can leverage AI tools and strategies to get cheap car insurance even as a high-risk driver. Step 1. Understand why you're labeled high risk. Before AI can help you, you need to understand your own risk profile. Common reasons include a history of traffic violations or DUIs, multiple at-fault accidents, poor credit score, lapsed insurance coverage, young or senior age group, driving a high-performance or risky vehicle. AI tools can analyze these factors to help match you with the best insurers, but knowing them up front helps you better guide your search. Step 2. Use AI-powered insurance comparison tools. Start by using AI-based comparison websites that go beyond basic filtering. These platforms use algorithms to evaluate your entire driver profile and find real-time policy matches. Examples include Gabby, Jerry, Zebra, Compare.com, Insurify. How to use them. Enter your information accurately, vehicle details, zip code, driving history. Let the AI engine match you with the most cost-effective and lenient insurers. View personalized recommendations that would take hours to gather manually. Step 3. Let chatbots negotiate and find discounts. Some AI-driven platforms have chatbots that act as virtual insurance agents. These bots can ask you targeted questions to uncover discounts, bundling, low mileage, safe driving. Explain how different coverage levels affect your cost. Guide you through changing your coverage options to find better rates. For example, Lemonade and Geico's virtual assistant use conversational AI to provide fast and detailed quote adjustments. Step 4. Use AI to improve your risk profile. One of the smartest ways to lower insurance is to improve the very factors making you high risk. AI apps can help with telematics monitoring. Use apps like Root, Allstate's DriveWise, or Progressive Snapshot to track your driving. These apps use AI to monitor real-time behavior like braking, acceleration, and speed. Safer driving equals lower rates. Credit score boosting tools. Apps like Credit Karma, Experian Boost, and Tally use AI to optimize your financial habits. Better credit can directly lower your premiums in most states. Driving habit analytics. Use an app like Smart Drive or Zen Drive to review your habits, get alerts, and adjust in real time. Step 5. Use AI to find non-standard and specialty insurers. Many high-risk drivers won't get cheap rates from big-name companies. AI can help you find niche or non-standard insurers who cater to high-risk drivers. These might not show up on mainstream quote engines. Try these approaches. Use GPT-based assistants like ChatGPT or Claude to search for best non-standard car insurance companies in your state. Ask AI tools to list insurers that don't penalize heavily for accidents or credit issues. Get quotes from companies like The General, Dairyland, or Bristol West, which specialize in high-risk policies. Step 6. Customize your coverage with AI suggestions. Instead of blindly buying full coverage, AI can help analyze which coverage makes the most financial sense for you. Use AI insurance platforms or personal finance bots too. Evaluate if dropping collision or comprehensive makes sense on an older vehicle. Compare liability limits based on your financial situation. Calculate long-term savings of higher deductibles versus short-term risk. Tools like Clio, Wally, or even ChatGPT can help crunch these numbers and explain trade-offs clearly. Step 7. Bundle and stack discounts using AI discovery. Most people don't know all the discounts available. AI can find overlooked savings, such as good student discounts if you're in school, military or occupational discounts, pay in full or auto-pay discounts, paperless billing incentives. Let AI-driven quote tools or virtual insurance agents explore every option, or simply ask a conversational AI assistant to list all car insurance discounts for high-risk drivers in your state. Step 8. Switch at the right time with AI timing tools. Timing your switch can save you money. AI tools can notify you when a recent traffic ticket drops off your record. Your credit improves enough to qualify for better rates. Insurers are offering promotional discounts in your region. Use tools like Zebra Alert, Jerry Smart Switch, or Metro Mile Pulse that watch the market and your profile to find the right time to switch policies. Step 9. Compare monthly versus annual cost using AI simulators. Sometimes, paying monthly can lead to extra fees. Use AI budgeting apps like Inab, Simplify, or NerdWallet's calculator to simulate monthly versus upfront payments. How bundling car and renters/homeowners saves more. Insurance cost as a percentage of total income. This helps you choose the cheapest effective policy, not just the cheapest upfront. Step 10. Reassess your risk every 6 months using AI. Your high-risk status isn't permanent. Recheck your rate every 6 months. Use an AI-driven reevaluation tool or re-enter your profile on comparison sites. Upload your new driving record, credit improvements, or payment history. Let the system rerun recommendations to see if you've unlocked cheaper tiers. Some platforms let you save your profile and get automatic notifications when your eligibility improves. Bonus tips powered by AI. Set rate drop alerts. Use browser extensions like Honey or insurance plugins to alert you when rates drop. Automate renewals and reminders. Use apps like Truebill, Rocket Money to avoid late payments, which can increase risk profile. Ask ChatGPT directly. If you're stuck, use a GPT assistant to say, act as a car insurance expert and recommend the top 5 cheapest policies for a high-risk driver in Florida who had a DUI in 2021. The AI can simulate and recommend based on public data. Conclusion. Getting cheap car insurance as a high-risk driver used to mean hours of calling agents and settling for bad deals. But with the help of AI, you can now accurately assess your profile, match with lenient and specialized insurers, improve your risk factors using real-time feedback, stack discounts, and optimize coverage intelligently. Monitor for opportunities to lower your rate regularly. AI won't eliminate your high-risk label overnight, but can turn the odds in your favor with less effort and smarter decisions. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.